Hi guys, welcome to How to Library. Today I'm going to show you how to enhance your video uploads quality on Discord. So first things first, we're going to need to go to our profile, our Discord profile. So for us to get there, we need to look at the bottom 5 icons we have on the bottom of the screen right now. We need to click on the one that is on the bottom right corner with our little profile picture. We're going to click on that and that will bring us here. So we need to scroll down a bit. And once we get to app settings, we're gonna stop here. So we have voice, appearance, accessibility, language, and then text and media. We're gonna stop there because we need to click on text and media. And once we get here, we have display images, videos, and lolcats. And then we have video uploads. So you can set your video uploads to data saver, standard, or best quality. I want mine to be on best quality. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye guys.